Yo, what's going on, guys? It is Jordan here from AJ's Cards and Games. Welcome back to another video. Today's sort of different, but like, I just be quiet because everybody's asleep. I see up there. And I got myself a new fade. It looks horrible. Hope you can see that, but it's dark and I want to turn your lights and disturb anybody. But the reason why I haven't been posting lately is because, well, there's like 5 reasons, but I'll tell you 3 out of 5 because I ain't got that much time. One reason because I tried to do a video of me opening up that Notre Dame card, and guess who won that card, that package? I did do a giveaway. Sorry if you weren't here for it, but I did message him personally. He literally said, may I join my YouTube channel? I was like, you know what, sure. And I'm helping him get his YouTube channel set up, but I'm not a specialist, so you can also give him other. Sorry you can't see my face. It's kind of get like freakish, like not even freakish. It's like pedo. Like, sorry if I'm using that word, YouTube. Sorry if you don't like that word, but that is the truth. I'd be legit. If I would see a video like this, I'd be like, what the fuck, nigga? But like, I'm sorry I haven't been posting lately. I've just, just been busy. Like, I've been working with my friend on his channel. I think he has a YouTube channel. If you look out Brandon Packer, Pack Wolf, I believe that's his name. Look at him. He literally, surprisingly, he literally does the most random stuff in the world. Like, top notch random. And he's just insane. Like, his videos, his everything, and like, it's just above top notch. Now, I will be doing a YouTube video tomorrow. Don't you worry, tomorrow. It is almost Easter, so by the time, if you watch this past Easter, have a happy holiday, whatever's coming up. But if you watch this down low, I might leave a link in the description if I can find this link. I'm literally not even that good at a YouTuber, but I enjoy vlogging. I enjoy showing people games. I enjoy showing them all kinds of stuff. Like, like, I'll be showing you my most priceful cards in the world, and then I might be doing a pack opening with one of my friends. He will also be doing a pack opening, but I'll be doing one. I promise you that's coming up, pack opening, but I will show you card collection in just a second. But it is really hard right now. Don't worry, I'll be moving on light in a second. Got finished shower off my face. I literally got out of the shower 15 minutes and my hair has not dried off. Everything else have, but not my hair is. I've had this, not even like an afro, like a wedge. That's what it looks like. Like, more like a, it's not like even like a wedge. It's like, it's supposed to be a flat top. It's supposed to be like a box. But I've had my hood up so many times and there's like a creature here that makes my hair have like that, like not even anime look, like a cartoon look to it. I'll be showing you that. But as you see the outline of it, like my curls and stuff, which is weird. Sorry, let me get out of that. But if you, I also have a friend that you need to check out on SoundCloud. I'll be leaving a link in the description below. Just hold on. His name is Lil Nate 3. If you want to know how to spell that, it's capital Lil, capital Nate, capital Nat, then just 3. Rewind the video if you did not get that. I want to save time to show you the pulls out of that. And I still have a box of cards. I threw away the box, but I have just the stack of cards that I've not seen at all. I've been waiting to see what they are. Like, it is insanely good. I think I have 2 boxes that I've thrown away because my mom, she said she was going to throw away them if I did not open them already. And I'm telling you, big supporters. I'll come back in a second and we will just resume in my room. Peace out until then. Hey, I am back. It is still kind of like, it's still dark, but we got some cards to open up. I said top one, Julio Jones, and unprofessionally, I dropped them on accident. So I'll be going through half of it today, half of it tomorrow. So, well, half of it next time. But if we can get this video up to 10 likes, I will be doing a rare card giveaway. I'll be giving away a Barry Sanders wild card. And the first one we have is Julio Jones from the Falcons playoff card. If you cannot see that, we got Justin Armour. It's shiny. Then we got Santonio Holmes, wide receiver. Kendall Wright, Titans, I believe. Yep, Titans. Davante Adams. It's a good card. Wide receiver for the Green Bay. We got defensive tackle Haloti Ngata, Lions. Then we have Minnesota Vikings draft pick card, wide receiver Stefon Diggs. He's a draft pick, drafted from Maryland. Pretty good. Here's one. A sophomore card, Sammy Watkins. Okay, good. Yeah, Watkins. Sammy Watkins is a sophomore card. Here's another sophomore card. Johnny Manziel. Shiny gold. Pretty good. We also have we got him. I don't know how to say his name. If you can say his name, see if I can flip it to the back. That's his name right there. That's legit the only place it says his name. Now we got next one. Oh crap, almost dropped it. My bad. We got William Gay. And William Gay. And next, last but not least, where did I put it? I mixed it up with the cards. Okay, seen that one. Oh, here it is. Marco Logan from the Dolphins. Alright. That's half of the deck. Now I will be showing you the most prized possession card of my collection. We will be going to the light for this one. Look at all those. We got Barry Sanders. Just all of those.
Come on, Jordan Laundry.
And that is it for this video. If you like this video and you want to see more of my videos, like the video, like the specific video, subscribe obviously, and you could win a Barry Sanders wild card. Now this is AJ saying goodbye. Oh man. If you like this video, subscribe for more like this specific video, and you could win Barry Sanders wild card. And this is Jordan here / AJ saying bye. See you next video. But subscribe, get to 10 likes, and I'll be giving away a Barry Sanders wild card. I'll be doing another opening, remember that, and I'll be doing a YouTube video tomorrow on my laptop. Alright? Alright? Now I'm not gonna stop this video until you like it. Did you? Okay, I heard that. Okay. Well, stay classy.